All right, let's look at some problems to help us be successful in this group. So if we are following this here, we are going to use GEMS to simplify first. So we do not have any groups. We don't have any exponents. We do have this multiply 5g, but we don't know it. We don't have any divide, and we do have this subtraction problem right here, 12 minus 9. So we end up with 5g's plus 3 equals 31.5. So now we can't simplify anymore, so we are going to work on balancing this. So now we need to work backwards through our order of operations. So we want to subtract and add first. We have this adding problem here. So we're going to do the opposite, and we're going to minus 3 on both sides. So we need to make sure we line up those decimals. So this cancels out. So we have 5g equals, so we minus here, borrow, 11 minus 3 is 8, decimal straight down, and 2. So now we're at 5g equals 28.5. So now the opposite of timesing by 5g's is to divide by 5g's. So we will take 28.5 and we'll divide that by 5. You need something above the 2 and the 8. Your decimal will go straight up and there. So you'll go finish that problem. So that goes in there 5 times. You have 3 left over. Bring down that 5. 5 goes in there 7 times. So G equals 5.7. So follow order of operations to simplify, then undo it to get the variable by itself. Okay, let's look at one of these inequalities. So Susie either likes to run at least 8 miles or less than 3. So she does not like to run anything between. So she either likes to run a long distance or something shorter. She doesn't like medium miles. So we're going to look at this first one here. We have X and comparing it to 8. It's at least 8. So she maybe likes to run 9 or 10 or 11. So those are all greater than 8. Now I've got to ask, does she like to run exactly 8? That's the least she likes to do, but she will run exactly 8. 8 is the least she'll do. So let me grab something, smooth that better. So we're going to graph that in and grab it because she will run 8 or more. Then let's look at less than 3. So we're going to compare X to 3, less than 3. So she'll run 2, she'll run 1, she'll run half a mile. Will she run exactly 3? Is 3 less than 3? Nope, she won't run exactly 3. She likes to cut it off before then. So these are less than 3. So we find 3, and we're going to keep it open on this one. She doesn't like to do exactly 3, but she will do exactly 8. And then we're going smaller. So nothing in between. She'll run 8 or more or less than 3. So now if we write this inequality, we're comparing 8 to X and we're comparing X to 3. So this one just comes in the order it was. X is greater than or equal to 8. This one we're going to flip it around, right? X is less, so X is less than 3. So X is less than 3. X is greater than or equal to 8. So just start at the variable, read it forward, read it backwards.